I went with Muggle. That sounds more... doesn't sound Harry Potter-esque. No, it does. No, what was it again? Yeah, Fizzing Whizzbees sounds more Roald Dahl-esque to me. I think
You're
there's
wrong.
something... Yeah. I'm going to go...
Yeah.
I know. I just wanted to be wrong too. Did you get it? You got
No.
Muggle.
No, I got... No. It was... We both were... You're
shit.
one up still.
I'm gonna go with that.
Yeah. Ah! Wait, what were you?
Oh.
It's not. I've had that before in a sweet shop. Yep.
Hardball sweet, wasn't it?
You know, on the seaside when
Yeah,
you go for a surf.
definitely. Sorry, yeah. Go.
Twisty Turnovers.
Whoop whoop.
Getting there. I'm catching up, bit by bit. Acid pops.
Well, that sounds like something you shouldn't be doing. Okay. Funny. Treacle tart?
Treacle tart.
I mean, it's not magic.
That's not
I think
magical.
That's,
That can't be magical.
Can I do that? Because it is magical.
Yeah.
Good question. You got it. It's both.
Nah. Come on. That doesn't even sound magical.
No, it doesn't.
Spot it.
You don't even have it like a
Sounds, yeah.
Is it? What, is that like spotted dick?
Yeah.
Spot. No, that sounds like something on a 2 Michelin star menu.
Spices and confined and mud. It's Muggle. Ah, it is.
Come back.
Oh.
Popping pennies, I'm gonna go.
Oh!
What are we both wrong?
Yeah, we both wrong.
Oh, okay. Oh, but I've still... Okay.
Okay.
Muggle.
What did I end up in? Ah.
You ended up on that.
Oh. That, you see... That, and I actually know that.
So you know what it means? I won.
Oh, that's
Got you.
that was debatable. That was some of those I've had in real life.